Doesn't matter if you use your battle rope indoor or outdoor, your battle rope is gonna get dirty one way or the other. So today I would like to show you how I would go about to clean the battle rope so we can prolong the battle rope's life and without damaging it. Coming up. Hey guys, this is Max. I'm just an average working dude who is on a journey to find my max in physique transformation through a sustainable fitness lifestyle. Follow me on this journey and hopefully you can find your max as well. All right, so regardless if you are using your battle rope indoor or outdoor, eventually your battle rope is gonna get dirty. So today I would like to just quickly talk about how I would go about to clean my battle rope. So this question was actually raised by one of the people who watched one of my past video, and his name is JCTBER. He asked about how do I go about to clean the battle rope, right? And first of all, thank you very much for leaving a comment. That's awesome. And for anybody who actually leave a comment down there, I will always, leave a reply. So if you have any question, make sure you leave a comment down below, okay? Yeah, so he asked about how do you clean a battle rope, right? He was asking about should he just power wash the rope? I guess you can, but I guess really first, number one, we gotta think about is where do you use your battle rope the most, right? If you're indoor, it's probably just gonna be some dust. And if you're doing outdoor, like predominantly I'm using my battle rope outdoor, depending on how dirty your battle rope is. If your battle rope it's not that dirty, if you're just dusty or whatnot, I would just simply doing it my way, okay? It's a lot easier and actually takes very little time. So I'm gonna show you right now. So if your rope is not as dirty, I would just simply use a bucket of hot water and get a towel and just quickly make sure your towel is nice and damp, okay, not soaking wet, and just take your rope and just wipe it down. Just wipe it down like that. Okay. See, it's a lot better. It gets all the dust off, right? This actually works really, really great if it's just not as dirty, okay? It actually wipes out a lot of the dirt, okay? And then when your towel is dirty, obviously, rinse it and rewash it again. I'm gonna show you the before and after, okay? So this is the one that is not wiped down, and this is what's wiped down, okay? So there's a big difference, right? So it's just simple wipe down. It should be good for your battle rope. So after you've done your wipe down of the rope, make sure to leave it under shade to make sure it's completely dry, okay? So you don't want any of the moisture that it's left on it, and especially when you actually put away the rope, you're actually twirl it apart, okay? You actually it's all kind of bundled up together. So you don't really want those excess moisture stay on the rope, so it could actually cause some molding, okay? So you don't want that. Okay, so like I just showed you, if the battle rope is not as dirty, a simple wipe down, it will be enough. If your battle rope is super dirty, let's say if you take out to a park in a muddy road, in a park and it's raining and it's muddy and you're using your battle rope in the mud, obviously you need to clean it, right? If your rope is that dirty, yes, I would just really spray it down, okay? But it's the same thing as what I said with using a rag, a towel to wipe it down. You still want to make sure it's dry, okay? Under the shade, well ventilated. Okay, put it indoor, right? Put it indoor, there's probably heaters in the room and that can help really dry up the rope. But make sure before you store it away, make sure the battle rope is completely dry, and I think that's the most important things to remember, okay? A couple things that I don't recommend is, dry your rope under the sun. Sometimes the UV light would actually break the rope. I would suggest not to do that. Don't dry your rope under the sun. And one thing I don't recommend is using any sort of detergent. I really don't think it's necessary to put any sort of detergent over to wash your rope. I really don't think of a user case to actually need to do that. But if you really have to, I think a laundry detergent would be good. Don't put like bleach or anything on it. That would just break a rope, okay? So I just don't do that. All right, I hope this video answers the question on how to clean your battle rope. Just a friendly reminder that I do have a free downloadable, the ultimate beginner's battle rope guide, okay? So that guide will teach you from the start to the end. If you're starting into this battle rope journey, definitely go check it out. The links are in the description down below. They're completely free, okay? Also, I have a playlist talking all about battle rope, so you should be able to see it right now. Until next time, peace.